Hi, good day. This is Alex for Internet Well Secret Right. So in this review videos, I would like to actually show you about this new product. This is automated site builder. They can actually build you affiliates page complete with all the posts and everything. By you just need to key in your ClickBank's affiliate ID and the rest of the others. Contents affiliate page can be built automatically by just using this is WordPress plugin, right? So it's called SiteZio, right? Okay. So when you click the link below this video, you will come to my review page of SiteZio, and when you click on any of the Get SiteZio's button here, it will again bring you to this SiteZio's sales page in front of you. The sales page said the new software build beginner friendly, 100% profitable ClickBank's affiliate uh, site, right? It's all automated, right? Okay, in 90 seconds with free traffic and content, right? So you don't have to actually build a website, affiliate site from the beginning. So you don't have to worry about the content and how to write your review post, and you just need to take care of the affiliate link. That's it. And with just a few clicks, and your site will be ready up and running, right? With all the beautiful and high converting affiliate product, right? Okay, so that's what basically what SiteZio is doing. It's a money making site with 100% automated content, right? So take your time to go through every single detail of this sales page. I will actually quickly run through with you for my debut page, right? So in front of this debut page, it create multiple profitable automated site, perfect for beginner, no techie stuff and no writing content manually, no SEO, fast content and free traffic built in, right? So everything can be actually stay ready. Okay, so just take a look into this, and this is Eagle's Bourbon inside, and the front end is only $17, right? So basically this is a WordPress plugin and build money making affiliate site with 100% automated auto-generated content and built-in traffic, right? So what you need to do is only you just need to have a WordPress website and blog, and most of us will be have a most of us will have our blog and website built on top of the WordPress platform. So right, so what are the SiteZio's front end and the OTO, right? Right, so the front end we start as 17 and can actually go up to 29, right? So here is a price, and so with this it come with a WordPress plugin and build money making affiliate site with 100% automated generated content, right? Also there's a complete automated money making site promoting affiliate product from ClickBank. Turn any word or phrase inside the content into affiliate link from any affiliate network. So that's pretty cool. 100% beginner friendly, thousands of new book posts, and also fast articles, fast unlimited traffic, get unlimited visitor from Google and other search engine, right? Use any keyword inside your text into your affiliate link, right? It can even translate into other 150 languages, right? What we any term, right, in province system, right? WordPress, right? And OTO one is $37, then come with unlimited site license, right? Okay, so because the front end only allow up to 10 sites, right? And unlimited campaign, front end only allow to 30 campaigns, right? For commercial like create and sell site to client or platform like Flipper. Okay, so there is a cool part. You can actually make money out of this site join, and it can actually sell this um, create and sell the site. You can use it to create many sites and sell it to your client or on platform like Flipper, right? Okay, I think Flipper is one of the platform you can actually flip a mobile app or flip any website or blog, right? Okay, right, that's how you do that. So SiteZio Premium come with flowing feature, automatically curate new from 100 of popular news source and more than 600 RSV, right? Add 100 of new article on daily basis, right? Okay, and profit from affiliate product page inside the content and banner app. Okay, right? You can even have the banner app also as site, right? SiteZio DFI is that we have set up 20 website for buyer. Site will be complete with content. We are also include two additional premium TPP term and essential plugin, also SiteZio white label. So here is a tier 2 white label option here, 50 account and 247 unlimited account. You can actually white label this, right, and sell it to your client at very high price and make a lot of money, right? So SiteZio Review is a WordPress plugin that build money making affiliate site with 100% auto generated content and built-in traffic, right? So this site generate profit by promoting affiliate product from clickbank and banner app and affiliate link placed inside the content, right? It is your opportunity to have your very own automated affiliate site preloaded with traffic pulling content, right? So here are the key features of the SiteZio, and do feel time to go through this complete automatic marketing site and 100% beginner friendly, thousands of new posts, unlimited traffic, even can do a translation to 150 languages, right? What we any term, right? So all this is pretty cool. For the price of $17, you're getting this WordPress plugin. You can do all this kind of thing. That means that it is a product with high quality and there's a lot of value inside. So just only 3 steps here. Enter your affiliate ID and pick topic for your brand new site and monetize your site with clickbank, affiliate offer, and banner app also, right? Right, so that is how easily you can actually make money out of this, right? So it's a company 30-day money back guarantee, and I have also prepared more than 200 exclusive bonuses just for SiteZio. Some of the bonuses is customized for the SiteZio. Is definitely is going to help you in terms of using this SiteZio to make the best profit and best benefit out of this SiteZio, right? Okay, so there are 2 special bonuses here. If you by the front end, any of the OTO update, the OTO they could be I think one of the OTO one. This is very useful. OTO unlimited site license, unlimited campaigns, right? So you buy the front end, any OTO, you're actually entitled to get my 2 very special bonuses below, right? First is a my own product, right? None for you money list, right? 50,000 none from you make money on that subscriber, and this is actually it come with any 50,000 make money online. You can actually log into your autoresponder and start promoting the list with your any other affiliate product, right? Okay, or physical product or even digital product, and start making money out of the list, right? So special bonus to my own product also. There are over 6,000 PLR ebook which you can actually private label, like you actually free to sell or the blind list ebook and video, and there's a potentially you can make a lot of money out of this PLR ebook and video, okay, because you can sell it at whichever price you like, right? So in conjunction with this our SiteZio, I have also have a lot of this PLR article banner in any niche, right? So this article you can actually use to for your content in your SiteZio, the blog you build using the SiteZio. You can actually or any or your WordPress blog, you can actually also post this PLR article as your content. You don't have to worry about the content. And the good thing is you can actually sell this PLR article and make money out of this PLR article, right? Okay. So the second one is a bonus tool, the Automator marketing kit line for your marketing to sell your product and service online, right? Okay. So just you just need to key in a few information, then your sales page, landing page, or any address, even launch email or any other social post, blog post is done by using this template. There are over 100 marketing template here, right? Also, we have this 10 times tools, 50 SEO tool on the cloud app. You can actually use this 50 SEO tool to actually optimize your search engine optimization for your website or for any blog or website, right? So this is pretty cool. 50 SEO tools, right? And also Social, this is a social media marketing tool on the cloud app. You can easily auto post, schedule Instagram post along with Facebook and Twitter. Also, do take a look into this. Also, this one, all the really useful products, right? Okay, and also exclusive list building training with 100 free solo click, and by the end of this list building training, you can actually submit any link to this solo app, and potentially you get some sales and also get some lead out of this 100 free click also. Okay, YouTube hack 2021 and YouTube channel SEO. These are the 2 bonuses and actually will help you to run your YouTube channel and YouTube video, right? And similarly, I have been using this same tactic inside here to actually to land my own YouTube channel and YouTube video. Okay, you have the high ticket system, and this come with the reseller line. You are able to actually learn how to sell the high ticket product and the high ticket commission, right? And super affiliates, you could have to become super affiliate and super affiliate survey funnel. Also, this is super affiliate software funnel with reseller license. They come full with the sales page, thank you page, and video course resale ebook to give away to build your list, right? Okay, it comes with the reseller license. Online King is can have the 6 membership site include here, right? You can actually sell this 6 memberships site to your client and keep 100% of the profit. Video library giveaway, there are 250 video. You can use it to promote your blog site, giveaway engagement, build a membership site, and there's a lot of benefit you can use with this 250 video. Product launch and tech, learn how to get JV partner to become to promote product and make the most of the launch on Instagram for entrepreneur, YouTube sponsorship income. Also learn how to make money from Instagram and also how to profit from the YouTube channel and blog and print Automator and think about important again. There are two actually really useful. If you are running any WordPress blog, this is going to help you in the roadmap, and this even have a plugin portal for article to actually to import any content, any existing article into your WordPress blog, and to so your content can be you to have a continuous content for your blog. And also we have quite conversion tool to get you more the SEO. Smarty Builders, this is an e-commerce site builder, and we have Final Q150, Final K is very similar to K-Funnel, right? And you're getting this free from me and Whisper Video Creation app, blog engage trouble creation app, and we have this water traffic cloud app, and Slap iShop, right? Also 15 free traffic method you do know, and also SexPay underground traffic. So all these are the really useful traffic, so you need to know, and this is definitely to get you a lot of traffic for any on your blog or anything you publish using the SiteZio, right? Okay, right. And we have the free training how to make money online without reselling and journal, Twitter traffic ad, and journal Instagram traffic, and we have this 200 special bonuses, all these 30 different bonuses, but altogether there are 250 bonuses altogether, and it is going to make the best offer for all these together. It comes together with this SiteZio, right? Okay, in this 200 special bonus bundle, they have 3,000 emails, right, and 100 killer subject headline, complete email marketing video training code, and over 100 traffic software I'm giving to you as part of 200 bonus bundle, right? And also I have this DFY opt-in and also lead magnet capture page template come together. This is can actually you can just use it and modify it to actually to become your lead capture page, right? So we have make money on the video training course from Jono and also from Brandon. This is an active make money video training course you can actually done, and also the skill and the technique they teach inside this video training course to make the best you and make the best profit out of your online business, right? Right, so everything you're going to get all this just for the price of $17, but take fast action, and if you buy the front end and together with the OTO1, you are entitled for my first and second special bonuses, right? Okay, but you need to take fast action. Click the link below this video, and when you come to this review page, just click on this orange button, and again the orange button will bring you to this SiteZio's sales page, and you just need to choose between. There are only two front end package here. One is on this single site is only $14, and the multi site is only $15. That is pretty cheap price, right? Okay, so this can actually have 10 site, okay, multiple site, and this is only can have one site, right? So definitely this is the best deal to buy, right? Okay, right. So take fast action and click the link below this video, and you are going to come to my review page and take fast action, grab all the bonuses together with the SiteZio, right? Okay, before I end today's walkthrough and demo and review about the SiteZio, let me quickly show to you inside the demo video and how can actually how you can actually make use of this SiteZio, right? Let's take a look here, right? Okay, so this is a pre-recorded demo video. You can actually take a look here. So there is a SiteZio. Okay, so when you log into SiteZio, basically this is a plugin you have to download. When you buy the SiteZio, there's a plugin given to you. Then you have to download the plugin and install in any of your WordPress website, right? Okay, so the first thing is to do the setting. You need to set the ClickBank username, and there's a Google Translate ID and Google Translation language also here, right? Okay, so mean to say you can actually choose over 100 languages. You can choose a different language for your this blog, right? Okay, so manage the campaigns, right? So really easy, just add new campaigns, right? So when you do the campaigns and search by the keyword, right? Okay, so just give the campaign name. Example is a lion, and just search by keyword and choose a category, right? So basically, this plugin work really well with all the ClickBank's affiliate offer, right? And basically, this is designed for to promote any affiliate product from ClickBank. So you can search by the keyword. Just fill out the keyword here, right? For example, diet. So then you can choose which category you want to the post where the post will be going, in which category, and keyword level you want to order by how popularity and gravity or average earning. This is basically ordering in all the affiliate product in ClickBank, right? So in the post status, I want to mark it as a draft or pending or publish, right? Okay, and just save the campaign. That's it. So your work is done. So you just need to kill in a few things and just sit and relax, and the tool will actually get you all the relevant content based on the keyword from the ClickBank affiliate, and this is a beautiful post that have been auto generated without you even doing anything. So example like this one, okay, this auto generated for you, and all the affiliate link is embedded inside the there's an affiliate in the post. There's an affiliate button. When you click the buy button, it actually take you to the affiliate the sales page, so you can when they actually purchase any of the product, then you make commission, right? Okay, so there's another word is called a keyword link. So I have a look into here. Okay, this is a keyword link display setting. Okay, so basically what happened is this software is very smart, right? So all the posts you generated, right, it can actually for any of the keyword that happen to be car, for example, you may want to say you want to replace it with the affiliate link. You even so you can actually take any affiliate product from ClickBank or even from JVJ or from whatever, and just place it inside here, right? And this if it can actually increase your chances of conversion and increase your profit, right? So just for example, if this is happen, is any keyword is car inside your post, they will actually embed this link into the car, and you can when people click on this link, they can actually bring them to the sales page, and they need a purchase, you're going to make commission out of this link. So that's basically how we do it. So that's pretty cool, right? So that is pretty much about this SiteZio. I hope you got the idea here. It's really easy to make money with this plugin, right? Okay, there's nothing to worry about. There's no content to create, everything will auto-generated for you, right? Cool. Right. That fast action, click the link below this video and grab all my bonuses together with the SiteZio. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.